Okay, so, if you go to the official page of Xbox Live you will see it has a lot of features. However, in this video I will show you how to get only the free games that come monthly. So, if you use a PC you probably heard of Epic Games. They created Fortnite. However, did you know they have something very similar to Xbox Live? Well, they give 2 free games every week, without having to pay for a subscription. So, you can get those games free. I can assure you that at least one of them is good. Example of good games, Just Cause 4, Assassin's Creed, Watch Dogs, and many more. If you want me to show you a guide on how to play these games that you get free on an Xbox, then comment this below, subscribe, and hit that like button. At 10 comments I will do a tutorial showing you how to do it. Also, these games are yours forever, so don't worry.